Fellas, what is up? Once again, Ajax here with more end-of-the-year rattle can shenanigans, and this is a video for New York State Modeling's Pro Street build here in 2018. Now, the kit that I'm going to be using is not the kit that you're seeing in front of you. However, it will be a 67 Chevelle Pro Street. It just happens that the 67 Chevelle Pro Street I'll be building is the Revell variant and not the AMT variant here. Not because I have anything against this particular kit, but rather because I've got some plans and designs for the other 67 that I'll be using. This one will probably get built somewhere along the lines as well, but it's going to, or at least portions of it are going to be kit bashed and used on another project that I've got in the works. So have no fear. This isn't going to be a derelict kit or just one that sits in the stash, but rather it will have it'll have its day in the sun somewhere further down the line. At any rate, I did want to put a video out there and let you guys know that, yeah, I will be a part of that. I will see you guys in March, and we will do this thing, all right? You guys take care.